Ever wondered, if money can't buy happiness, can it at least rent a jet ski? Intriguing, right? Well, today we're delving into the money management universe where dollars dance and cents make sense. But before we embark on this financial roller coaster, keep in mind, if money doesn't buy happiness, at least it can rent a jet ski. And that's pretty darn close. Hey, before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. The pay yourself first conundrum. You've undoubtedly come across the mantra, pay yourself first. It sounds like a financial wizard's secret handshake, doesn't it? But hold off on imagining your mansion with a golden toilet just yet. Contrary to visions of extravagant spending like investing in a disco ball for your goldfish, the real deal is about stashing away some cash before your landlord, the taxman, or the seduction of a late-night pizza party grab hold of your hard-earned money. Think of it as the financial version of calling shotgun. You claim your share before anyone else gets a chance to hop in the spending shotgun seat. The 1490 rule. Now, let's talk about habits. Those elusive creatures that apparently take a mere 14 days to form. But slow down those horses. When it comes to managing your money, we're dealing with a 1490 rule. 14 days to form the habit and a whopping 90 days to transform it into a lifestyle. That's longer than the attention span of a toddler in a candy store. Yet, here's the deal. We're not discussing fleeting celebrity marriages. We're talking about securing your financial happily ever after. It's the kind of commitment that makes a Hollywood love story look like a casual fling. So buckle up because we're on a journey to turn your financial habits into a love story that even rom-com enthusiasts would envy. Growth. It's not about size. Alright, let's dive into the ever-elusive realm of growth. No, we're not discussing the kind you measure in inches. We're talking about the cold, hard cash kind. Contrary to popular belief, it's not a contest of how much you make. It's about the art of preservation. If you're tossing every dime at that extra large latte, congratulations. You're on the brink of a financial caffeine crash. It's like having a garden but neglecting to water it. No matter how lush it looks initially, it's bound to wither away without some care. So, instead of flexing about the size of your paycheck, flex those budgeting muscles and show the world you know how to make your money hustle. Not just muscle. Keep track. A spreadsheet adventure. Now, I get it. The mere thought of keeping track of expenses might seem about as thrilling as watching paint dry. But fear not, intrepid budgeter. Ignorance might be bliss in some situations, but definitely not when it comes to your bank account. So cozy up with your spreadsheet. Let those numbers spill their secrets. Spoiler alert, it's probably not as dire as the aftermath of your late-night Amazon shopping spree. Think of it as a financial treasure hunt, where each transaction is a clue leading you closer to the elusive pot of savings gold. Unearth those spending patterns, and you'll be wielding a budget like a seasoned explorer, mapping out uncharted financial territories. Classification: needs versus wants. Time for a riveting game of needs versus wants. Picture this. Needs are the essentials, the lifelines like rent, food, and, okay, maybe a gym membership to offset the guilt of indulging in pizza. Wants, on the other hand, are the sprinkles on the cupcake of life. Delightful but not necessary for survival. If you're finding yourself slurping down ramen noodles for sustenance, perhaps that weekly spa day is a tad overboard. It's all about distinguishing between the essentials and the extravagances, ensuring your financial ship sails smoothly instead of hitting a budgetary iceberg. So gear up for this epic financial game of survival, where distinguishing needs from wants is your key to navigating the sea of financial stability. Savings, your financial umbrella. Let's take a cinematic journey into the world of emergency funds, the unsung hero in your financial story. Imagine this. You lose your job, the universe decides to pull a prank on your finances, and suddenly, you're free falling into the abyss of unexpected bills. Enter stage left. Savings, your very own financial umbrella. It's not just a fund. It's your safety net when life decides to rain bills. Having a well-stocked emergency fund is like having a superhero cape, ready to swoop in and save the day when the unexpected villains of life start wreaking havoc on your budget. So think of your savings as the financial guardian angel, ever vigilant and prepared to rescue you from the downpour of unforeseen financial challenges. But here's the twist in the plot. Your financial umbrella isn't just for emergencies. It's your ticket to financial freedom, a magic carpet that can transport you to the land of opportunities. Whether it's seizing that once-in-a-lifetime investment or embarking on a career-changing opportunity, your well-nurtured emergency fund is the key to unlocking doors you didn't even know existed. So don't just view it as a rainy day fund. Consider it the superhero sidekick that propels you towards a brighter financial future. Investments, more than just stocks. Welcome to the grand feast of investments. It's not about stocks and bonds. It's a financial potluck where the menu includes real estate, education, and perhaps even a mystery casserole of opportunities. You see, the key to this financial banquet isn't just throwing your money into the pot and hoping for the best. It's about calculating your return. So, grab your calculator, not your dog's paw, and let's delve into the intricacies of making your money work for you. Investments are the spice of financial life, and a diversified portfolio is the secret sauce. It's not just about playing the stock market. It's about creating a buffet of financial instruments that align with your goals. Real estate can be the steak, education the fine wine, and that mystery casserole? Well, that's the venture into the unknown that might just surprise you with its returns. The world of investments is vast and varied, so don your financial chef's hat and prepare to concoct a recipe for financial success that's uniquely yours. After all, it's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the gastronomic journey of wealth creation. Debt, the good, the bad, and the negotiable. Debt, the mysterious superhero in our financial tale. Use it wisely and you'll find yourself saving the day. Use it recklessly and you might end up in a financial tragedy. Picture yourself negotiating with your bank, caped and ready for financial justice. Debt isn't just a financial tool. It's a potential sidekick in your quest for economic supremacy. But here's the plot twist. Not all debts are created equal. So grab your superhero cape, or at least imagine it. Because in the world of finance, credit card debt is the supervillain waiting to unleash chaos on your financial narrative. The key is negotiation. Ask for perks, request a lower interest rate, and maybe throw in a plea for a financial superhero cape while you're at it. But tread cautiously, dear financial adventurer, for not all debts are negotiable, and the wrong move can turn you from hero to zero. As you navigate the comic book of debt, remember that with great financial power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely and you might just emerge as the superhero of your financial saga. Alright, money maestros, that's a wrap on our financial comedy show. If you found this video as entertaining as a cat playing the piano, give it a thumbs up, share it with your financially challenged pals, and hit that subscribe button for more money wisdom that won't put you to sleep. Until next time, keep your budget tight. See you in the next one.